This is just a quick reminder that the Christmas raffle for this Trend T14 cordless router is still on, but closing soon. This router is now my go-to lightweight cordless router that, with the trim and the plunge base supplied, can just about tackle any project you throw at it. For the expert, it's a great trim router, and for the DIYer, it's an all-rounder. The kit includes two 4 amp hour batteries and a charger as well, and all the attachments you need to get yourself going. And I'm sure the lucky winner will be very pleased with this as a Christmas present to themselves. As well as the router, the first prize also includes this large oak Merry Christmas sign that you would have seen me make a couple of weeks ago, and then 3 further prizes of these oak decorations, and all the winners also get a proper DIY mug. The raffle closes tomorrow evening, that's Sunday the 18th, just before midnight, so there's not that much time left to go. All the details on how to enter are in the description below this video. So good luck with the raffle, and someone is going to have a really nice Christmas present.